Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to copy text from anywhere on your screen in Windows 11. Windows 11 now includes a built-in text extractor feature, so you don't need any third-party OCR software. Let me show you how it works. Before we start, make sure you are running the latest version of Windows 11. Press Windows and R from your keyboard and type here and press enter. As you can see here, I'm using Windows 11 version 2.5.2. If you are using an older version, update Windows first. Now let's say I want to copy this text from my desktop wallpaper. To do that, open snipping tool, go to start and search for snipping tool and open snipping tools. When the snipping tool is opened, under the toolbar, we'll see an icon called Text Extractor. Click on this small icon. Once you click on this icon, your screen will become dim and you will see a plus icon. Now drag and select the area containing the text, just like this. Windows instantly detects the text, and on the top of your screen you will see option to copy all text. Click on this option to copy all text, and now open Notepad or any other text editing application to paste the copied text, just like this. As you can see, the text has been copied successfully. Now you can also access or activate text extractor functions directly by pressing Windows Shift and T from your keyboard without opening snipping tool, just like this. You can see here my screen has become dim and showing plus icon. That means it is activated. Now again select the text, just like this, and click on copy all text. One more example I want to show you. Let's open one video. Let's say you are watching a video and you found some useful text and you want to copy those text from this video. Press Windows Shift and T to activate the text extractor and select the area containing the text, just like this, and this will scan the text and detect the text automatically. Once the text has been detected, you will see an option to copy all text on the top of your screen. Click on copy all text, and now I can paste it into Notepad or any other text editing application, just like this. And that's how you can copy text from anywhere on your screen using the built-in text extractor in Windows 11, just by pressing Windows plus Shift and T and start copying text instantly. If you found these tips useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Windows tips and tricks. And thanks for watching my video.